Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another amazing haul from Meesho and मैंने किए हैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग से पीसेस ऑर्डर। विंटर सीजन आ चुका है तो हमें चाहिए कुछ ट्रेंडी से पीसेस जो कि अफोर्डेबल भी हो। कुछ टॉप्स ऑर्डर किए हैं, कुछ स्वेटशर्ट, कुछ क्यूट से स्वेटर्स। देखते हैं कैसे आए हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम। एंड सारे लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी, तो प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट। एंड अभी तक अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना। चलो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
First is this white top which I'm currently wearing, and as you can see the style is simply stunning and I really loved it because of the neckline, and इसकी neckline आती है asymmetrical, that's why it makes it so unique and stylish, and इसका price भी बहुत affordable है, 289 में ये मुझे पड़ा है and I really loved it, and the feel of the top is really amazing. It is perfect for light winters, and if you're looking for something very stylish and yet very affordable, you should definitely go for this one. The only problem I found with this one that it's in size small and usually I wear size extra small, so ये around the waist मुझे आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही ज़्यादा loose fit आ रहा है. It's not very neat and snatched fit as I saw in the picture, but if you are in size small, this would be just perfect for you. ऑल्सो इसमें और साइजेस अवेलेबल हैं M, L and XL, and also 3 more colors are available. But as I love white, so I ordered this. I tried to keep the outfit very casual here and matched my accessories with my top, and paired my different color high-waisted trousers with it, and also tied my hair. Really love this top and it just elevated my whole look. Next that I ordered is this Korean style top. This is a crop top, black in color. The bows in the center are really cute and in so much in trend. प्राइस भी इसका बहुत अफोर्डेबल आता है. यू वोंट बिलीव इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर ₹176. इट इज़ दैट अफोर्डेबल एंड the quality is really amazing. It is a 10 on 10 from my side. It's a ribbed fabric, so it is perfect for light winters. साइज़ भी इसका एकदम परफेक्ट फिट आया है. इट्स एन एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज, सो इट इज़ जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर मी. इट्स अ क्रॉप लेंथ एंड आई पेयर्ड इट अप विद माई हाई वेस्टेड वाइट ट्राउजर्स एंड ऑल्सो विद माई वाइट बैग एंड फुटवेयर. मिनिमल ईयरिंग्स एंड ओपन हेयर के साथ मैंने इसको स्टाइल किया है एंड इट्स जस्ट फॉर योर परफेक्ट कैजुअल डे आउट्स when you want to just dress cute, or for the days when you don't know what to wear, just wear this top with your pants or skirts and you don't want much styling with this and it will look just perfect. So definitely check this one out and I really personally love this one. So next top that I ordered is this pretty pink full sleeve top. It's a ribbed top and आप इसकी neckline देख सकते हो. आपको square लग रही होगी but it's a hard cut out neckline, so it looks very very pretty and I really love the fit of this top. Around the waist आप देख सकते हो. It's so much pretty and neat and I paired it up with my high waisted white trousers, so इसका fit बहुत ही amazing आ रहा है. It's in size small, तब भी मुझे इतना परफेक्ट फिट आया है. इट्स नॉट इन साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल. इसका फैब्रिक इतना अच्छा है कि इसका फिट मुझे ऑलमोस्ट स्नैच फिट आया है. इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर योर ऑफिस वेयर एंड लुक्स वेरी कैजुअल एंड शीक, and it's really affordable. In just ₹217 I got this top and I really loved it according to the price also, and the quality is simply amazing. फैब्रिक इसका रिब्ड है एंड ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी थिक, सो लाइट विंटर्स के लिए ये डेफिनेटली परफेक्ट होने वाला है. सो डू कंसिडर दिस वन अंडर अ बजट. दिस इज सिंपली सो अमेजिंग एंड प्रिटी. So the next top I ordered is this bottle green top and the neckline is so pretty and unique. इसका जो neckline है वो twisted आता है ऊपर से और cut out design के साथ आता है, so it looks really really amazing and इसका price बहुत ही affordable है. almost same price है जो pink वाले top का था, वो 217 का था, ये 218 का है. so again that makes it really affordable. fit is also really nice. this is in size extra small, तो इसका fit भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है एंड टक्ड इन करके आई हैव पेयर्ड इट विद माई हाई वेस्टेड ट्राउजर्स, सो ये जो सारे रिब टॉप्स होते हैं ये टक इन करके बहुत ब्यूटीफुली आपको बॉडी पे फिट होते हैं. सो आई रियली लाइक टू वेयर दीज रिब टॉप्स. दीज आर जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर लाइट विंटर्स. जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा जैकेट्स या स्वेटर्स लेयर अप नहीं करने होते हैं तो उससे पहले यू कैन वेयर दीज फुल स्लीव टॉप्स एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. इट लुक्स वेरी स्टाइलिश, मॉडर्न and trendy also, and this is very affordable, so you can definitely consider this one. The quality is fab and I would really like to give it a 10 on 10. So next I've ordered few pullovers or sweaters. This checkered black and white sweater has my heart and I really loved it. The quality is simply amazing and price is really affordable. I got this just for rupees 421. That makes it so affordable and also it looks very stylish. So you definitely don't want to miss this one. The size that I'm wearing is small, but I really like the oversized fit of it. It's a loose fit kind of a sweater and is extremely comfortable to wear. So if you're looking something which is super comfy, trendy, modern, stylish, then consider this one, as this is super amazing and I really loved it. I would really like to give it as a 10 on 10. Perfect for this winter season. Next I ordered is this beautiful brown tone sweater which has this heart-shaped design all over. It looks super trendy and stylish and it is so affordable too. It is just for rupees 529. It is very comfy and more than enough to keep you warm this winter season. Looks super cute and also available in 3 more vibrant shades. I am wearing size M in this and it perfectly fits me. So if you're looking for something this fun, cute and trendy, definitely check this one out as it is super affordable too. I would highly recommend this one and give it a rating of 10 on 10. Just loved it. Next that I ordered is called the cricket sweater and it has a sporty look. It is half sleeves, drop shoulder, has a V-neck, stripes all over the sleeves, neck and the hem part, and also it's a self-designed knitted sweater. I ordered this as size small but I received in the size medium. Gives you the perfect Pinteresty vibes and can be styled in various ways, and also it's affordable under the price of 500. Exact is 470, so it's quite affordable according to the quality it has. Here I decided to pair it up with my loose white shirt inside and my black tights with my ankle boots and also the black bag, so it gives a very sporty vibe yet very casual. So if you're looking something very casual and has a sporty vibe, then definitely you should check this one out, and it's very trendy, modern and classy. So yes, it's a great buy for this winter season. For light winters it would be just perfect. So last but not the least, I ordered this collared sweatshirt which I really loved. It has a bottle green color and the contrasting white collar and white buttons. I really loved the fit of this sweatshirt and it's really affordable, just under price of 400. Exact price is 354. The fabric is fleece and price is justified according to the quality. It's really affordable, classy, has a very athletic look and looks very casual at the same time. I ordered this in size small and I have paired it with my high-waisted loose fit trousers and it looks just simply stunning. I would really like to give it a 10 on 10. Fabric, quality, price, everything is simply amazing. So definitely check this one out.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. And मैं सारे links नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी, so please go and check them. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So मैं मिलती हूँ आपको next video में. Till then, take care. Bye bye.